Hey everybody, another meme coin just like PEPE and others that is moving. WOJAK is on the move. What are we seeing? This is the USDT chart as you can see. However, before moving on to the USDT chart, which is on Gate.io, I want to show you first what is the long-term chart of WOJAK on Uniswap, all right? Before we continue. So we can see that on Uniswap, WOJAK is a little bit herky-jerky per se, right? So first of all, it was created around, let's see, it was created over here, and that is mean that is already 12 days since creation, since it has been minted, all right? It has moved, all right, since inception, let's say over here. It moved initially around 10,000%, then went down a huge bunch, and now is on the move again. On this chart, it's looking terrible. You can see that today it made a move of around almost 200% and already gave the majority of the move back, right? Now let's go back to the WOJAK USDT chart, which should be better to understand in order for us to trade it or not trade it. Just beware of it because guys, we don't want to FOMO into anything right now. This is not a trade as of just this moment, but it might develop into a trade, okay? So please do not FOMO into trades. What are we seeing? We can see that we had an initial accumulation area right over here, and we are just moving right now above it. Very herky-jerky style. This is very volatile. It's a banking broker horse, as Mark Vinividi says, so we need to be aware of that. This is high volatility, and we don't want to jump in while high volatility is in because it's a net losing proposition as traders. Yes, this can poof blast off, but this can as well poof go all the way down after it blasts off. So we need a low risk entry, all right? So what we are looking right now, first of all, after we understand this might be a trade, we want to see how it reacts after the first day of trading. We want to go for the hourly and see what happens on the hourly, all right? Because these trades move fast. Right now, not so much. So what I would prefer to see, for example, is something of this sort, all right? Let's see what I would prefer. I would prefer this to make maybe even a bigger move than it made, maybe up until here. And then start consolidate on the daily, give back some, and then build a bit, then give back some, then build a bit, then give back, maybe then try to, give all this back and then give back a bit, and then explode. This is a VCP pattern that I like, a volatility contraction pattern, for example, and this would be, I'm sorry about the drawing, it sucks by the way, I know, I understand, I'm really sorry about that and about the word I just used. But a VCP is what I would be looking to use, all right? Let me just remove all the drawing and try to draw it just a bit better. So we will prefer something like this, then a reaction, then something of a build up, then another reaction, then a reaction, then maybe something up here, and then maybe go to the upper side, break this level over here that we are maybe going to create today. Remember, this is me imagining what can happen in this trade, right? This is my imagination, and I would prefer to buy it higher, right? I would prefer to buy it over here on this breakout and continue. Why? Because this will be a low risk entry trade, and as a trader, I want to look for low risk entries, okay? I don't want to FOMO here. I do not want to FOMO, even though if you want to FOMO, that is on you. You can buy it here, put a stop at 10% low, put a stop over here, but that's on you. That's not how I operate. This is not my modus operandi, right? I prefer to see how it consolidates. Maybe it won't get to this level. Maybe it will get only mid-level and then create a consolidation in this level at 20, but I will just need to wait and see how this reacts because this can fail miserably. But guys, this is another meme coin I wanted you to have on your radar in case we have an explosion, consolidation, and then continuation pattern. Why this can be a possibility? Because if we go back to the daily, we can see as well that volume is quite big on the daily as well, right? Volume, we still have 8 hours. You can see over here, we still have 8 hours left, all right, to this daily candle. But you can see that the volume already is the second largest volume so far, which is not a big feat because we're only 12 days, all right? But it will probably close higher. So this is a good scenario. This is a good thing for possible continuation. Again, probabilities and possibilities. Higher volume, high probability of continuation. Anyway, guys, if you like this content and you want to be on top of things, and just push the bell button, subscribe, and I will try to make videos as fast as possible as I can. As well, if you want to really dive into dive deep into the way we trade, I have a private group you can subscribe to for less than $20 a month, and you can see when we trade, how we trade. And guys, we are successful in our trading. We make consistent gains. If you want to be part of that, just go into the link in the description and you can be part for less than a McDonald's a month, for the sum of a McDonald's a month. All right, guys, thank you very much. Cheers.